Hunters, I just spinned. I deposited 100 rand here in this game in HollywoodBet because I was losing a lot today in Betway. I lost a lot. If you will see that I've lost more than 1.2k, 1,200. So I decided, now let me just give it a try. I deposited 100 rand in Betway. Then when I deposited 100 rand, I just wanted to see if I can grab something here, guys. And suddenly when I wanted to see if I can grab something here in HollywoodBet, this is exactly what happens, guys. As you can see it, I just want to take you guys through everything that happens so that you can see each and every move that we managed to grab here in HollywoodBet today in HollywoodBet. So I just spin into this bonus, guys. I didn't buy it at all. I just spin into this bonus. I'm happy that maybe it can give us something, because I've been trying to spin it, and this bonus, if I have to buy it, it was going to cost me 62 rand. So let's see if indeed we can grab some grabbers here in HollywoodBet right now. So I just want to see that if it's going to be possible today here in HollywoodBet. Maybe it can return some of my money, we don't know. I'm just praying that maybe we can just go through all these stage levels, we unlock all of them. So let me just begin this. Let's begin. Let's hope we are not going to get disappointed. Seems like it's a dead one since we didn't buy it. Or am I wrong? Well, let's see if it can change. Nothing is happening so far, guys. Okay, maybe this the ladies will help now. $15 down to go. Let's see if it can unlock all of them. It's a big win, guys, but we're left with 11 lines to unlock. We're left with 11 to unlock. We just need something decent. Okay, we couldn't get anything decent. I didn't buy this bonus, guys. Just pop out right now. But I think it didn't really pay based on the amount, but I'm gonna do something. Let me just buy one more bonus and see what will happen to this bonus right now. Can this be the one, guys? Can it be the one? Can it be the one? Can it show us something here? All right, maybe it can help. Let's see. Only 4 left. Alright, obviously we are in. We have unlocked the first level. Just want us to make a decent or something amazing. Let's see if we can grab that. Okay, she's too far maybe, or there was no connection there. Therefore, we can get two ladies. They can help. Like this one will definitely help. Let's see if we can unlock all of them. Yes, we unlock this second level. We are going to work on the last level to see if we can unlock again. Let it happen, guys. For me, I've lost a lot today. Let it happen, guys. Let it happen for me, since I have lost a lot. 14 rand will take it. We are down to 24 to unlock this level, guys. Alright, this will help too. We are down to 20. It's a big win. Just imagine if we bind this with 112, if it can happen. Like, we are down to 18. We just need some serious connection, or two ladies here. Two ladies can help. Okay, this might also help. Let's see how much it's going to help. We are down to 13, guys. We are down to 13. 12 to unlock. How many free games? Or 6? Alright, 1 2 3 4 8 to unlock, guys. 8. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Only 4, guys. We are left with 4 to unlock this stage. Let's see what will happen. Alright, 1 2 3 4 2. Guys, what's happening here? 1. What? And it's a big win, and I think it's the last one, guys. Yes, baby, we are in, baby. We are in, baby. Baby, we grabbed it, baby. We grabbed it, baby. I'm in, guys, to the next level. Let's see how much we go with here now. Let's see if it's hot. Let's see if we can get, I can be so much happy if I can get 5 with those 5 ladies, guys. If they can just come right now and show us their powers. Can they just come and show us their powers? Show us your power. We are down to 11. We're gonna take this 30 rand, guys. We'll take it. Mega win, baby. It's mega win. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. Super mega win. Staten, I will take it. Let's hope for the best, guys. We just need a lot of these ladies. 5 of them or 4 with this pain symbol, then we're gonna be good to go. Look at that. Oh, look, we couldn't connect. It's not connecting, guys. Nothing is connecting here. Nothing is connecting yet. They are not really connecting, guys. There have been many, but they are not connecting. Look at that. I don't know if we have 30 rand again here. Seems like it's not really connecting. Okay, we did get 30 rand. I think it's the last one. I'm not sure. Couldn't connect, but it's a profit. We'll take it. But normally when we get to this stage, guys, we all know that we have to get like a very huge, we have to get something very huge. So when I don't get something huge, I get surprised, guys, or what's happening. And but okay, thank you, guys. Let me just see if I can spin. But I was expecting very serious things, guys. I was really expecting something huge. Let me just buy one more. Let's see how much we can make again. maybe we can go to the second, all the levels again. We can unlock all of them. It's still possible, but it didn't really pay. Okay, this will definitely help for us to go to the next level. Let's see if we can unlock the first level. I thought we were going to unlock it down to 12. Alright, this is going to, we are in now 100%. We are unlocked the first level, and it is a big win, guys. It's a big win, and it's going to be a mega win. And it might also be a super mega win. Let's see if we get a super mega win. We are in the next level. Let's see if we can unlock these levels, guys, again. Okay. Okay, that couldn't happen, guys. Thank you for watching, and for also subscribing in this channel, guys. I'm going now. I'm going to be like I'm going to stop here, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Let's hope to grab a big amount, guys, because I've been chasing a huge amount today. I was not winning, but let's hope we're gonna make it. Thank you guys for watching.